In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple drives into one trip in MileIQ. If you've ever ended up with several short drives that really belong to the same outing, like multiple stops during a single client visit, merging them into one clean trip keeps your records tidy and easier to report. First, open your browser and log into the MileIQ web dashboard. This process happens on the web, not in the mobile app, so make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use to track your drives. Once you're in, you'll see your drive list, usually organized by date, with each drive displayed as its own line. Now select the trips you want to combine. Look to the left side of the drive list. Each drive has a small checkbox. Click the checkbox for each drive that belongs to the same overall journey. You can scroll through the list and choose as many related drives as you need. Take a moment to verify you're only selecting the drives that truly go together. This helps keep your records accurate and avoids merging unrelated trips. As soon as you've selected multiple drives, a special panel appears on the right side of the screen called the Multiple Drive card. This card confirms that you've chosen more than one drive and gathers your selections into a single place so you can review before committing. Use this chance to double-check your picks. If something looks off, simply uncheck or add check marks in the list until everything looks correct on the card. When you're confident you've selected the right drives, look to the bottom of the multiple drive card and click the Join button. Join is the action that tells MileIQ to combine those separate entries into a single trip. Think of it as stitching the segments together so they appear as one consolidated record in your mileage log. A pop-up window will immediately ask you to confirm. This extra step is there to prevent accidental changes. Read the prompt, make sure your selections still look right, and then click Confirm to finalize the merge. If you realize you've included the wrong drive or changed your mind, you can close the pop-up and adjust your selection before trying again. After you confirm, your mileage list will reflect one combined trip in place of the individual segments you selected. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment or refresh your browser. And that's it. Your multiple drives are now neatly merged into one clean, accurate trip, ready for reporting and reimbursement.